Welcome to the second video, How to Succeed with Clickbank Marketing, Tips and Strategies for Beginners. In this video, we will provide you with some tips and strategies to help you succeed in Clickbank marketing. Clickbank is one of the largest affiliate marketing networks, offering a wide range of digital products, including ebooks, online courses, and software products. As an affiliate marketer, you can earn commission by promoting these products to your audience. One of the key factors to consider when choosing a product to promote is the commission rate. Clickbank offers commission rates that can go up to 75%, giving you the potential to earn a significant income. Visuals of email marketing, social media marketing, and content marketing appear on screen. First, you can use email marketing to promote the product to your list of subscribers. Second, you can use social media marketing to reach a larger audience. And finally, you can use content marketing to create valuable and informative content that promotes the product and encourages your audience to buy it. It is also essential to track your results using Clickbank Analytics and other tracking tools. This will allow you to measure your success and make adjustments to your marketing efforts if needed. Finally, it is important to learn from successful affiliate marketers who have already made it in Clickbank marketing. Their stories and strategies can provide you with valuable insights and inspiration to help you achieve your own success. We hope these tips and strategies have helped you understand how to succeed in Clickbank marketing as a beginner. With the right mindset, skills, and strategies, you can turn this into a lucrative income stream. Thank you for watching.